Alright guys, welcome to your ninth session of this series, Web Design 101. In this session, we are going to look at how to design a table on our web page. Okay, so I'll open my Sublime test. Good. So fast forward, let's see how we can structure a table in our web page. So first of all, I want you to understand these terms. We have what we call TR, which stands for table row. Then we have TH, which stands for table the table head. Then we also have TD, which stands for table data. Good. So we are going to use these elements to structure our table. So everything that we are going to do right now should be inside a table element like this. It should be a wrapper wrapping all the other elements. Now we are going to deal with rows by row. Okay, so we take this row, then we insert the columns there, then we take another row, insert the columns. So I'm going to say that we are going to have our first first row. So TR, then inside the TR, we have our first column, which is table head. So this will specify the head of the column. So I'm going to say first name like this. Then I'll move to the next column, another TH again, then last name, then another TH, then I have phone, then I'll add the last one, the last column, which is TH again, then I'm going to have address. Good. So that means we are done with the first row. So the first row is having four columns: one, two, three, four. First name, last name, phone, and address. So we are going to specify the second row, which is TR again. Then I have TD, table data. Good. So I'm going to say Muhammad. Then the the next column is going to be my last name, which is Ibrahim. Okay. Then I have TD, my phone number 0542095569, or it can be any number, right? Then I have another TD, which is going to be my address, AK707497, okay, something like this. Good. So Mohammed over here is going to correspond with first name. Then Ibrahim is also going to correspond with the last name. Phone number is going to correspond with this, and the address is also this. So I can add another table row again. So we have TR, then table data. So after the first thing is that you add the head. After the rest are just table data. So I'm going to have Amin, then the last name is TD, then Musa. Good. Then I have TD, which is going to be phone number. Then I'll add the address TD. So let me add another one, TR. So we have another row TR, then table data. Then I have TD. Then you have phone number. Then the address. So I'm going to save this by holding Control and S to save it. Go back to my desktop, open the beginner HTML folder, then open the index file. Good. So we have this guy over here displaying first name, last name, phone, and address. So this is the first column that we specified. So as you can see, the table head, the text is bold in form, but the rest they are normal text. So we see how it has structured it for us. So we need to specify the border over here. Specify the border. So back to our course, inside the table we specify an attribute, and if, I believe you all remember in a previous video we mentioned of attribute. If you don't understand, please go back and watch what an attribute is. So I'll leave one space over here, then specify the attribute, which is border equal to, then I'll give it 1px. Okay, I'll press and hold control and press S to save. Go back to my code and refresh. I have this guy. Okay, so we have just structure the border for us. So basically that's how we create, I mean, uh, tables in our web page. So let me wrap up. We have table row, table head, and table data, and everything should be inside the table element, the open and close of table, element. So one thing we can add over here, we can add another attribute known as style. That will be probably our next episode. So we can give a width, then we give it, let's say 40%. I'll save it, Control S, refresh the page, and let's see. So we have the width like this. Okay, good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.